Hey guys, what's going on? It's Low Nose back at you with another tech take, and today we're taking a look at the Omezizy Bluetooth thermal printer. Now, why would you want to take a look at this printer? Well, if you're into shipping for Amazon, eBay, or maybe an Etsy, or just you're shipping anything from either your home office or your office or just somewhere, anywhere on the go, this is a perfect portable device to actually ship labels from the comfort of wherever you are. I do wish it was battery powered, meaning that you do have to connect it to a power cord, but it's as small, simple, as easy when it comes to shipping labels that you will see shortly enough. Now, what do you get with the Omezizy Bluetooth thermal printer? Well, of course, you get your Bluetooth thermal printer, you get a powered cord for your printer, you get a USB cord for a laptop or Mac. You also get a USB-C to USB-A converter for laptops or computers that don't have a USB-A, so you actually connect to a USB-C. And you also get a couple of 4x6 thermal printing paper as well. You can get more of these, but remember, it's got to be thermal printing paper because it's sticky in the bottom to put on your shipping boxes, and also you can print on the top from your thermal printer. Let's take a closer look at our thermal printer. As you can see, like I said before, it's a really small printer. I mean, yeah, it's not going to take up a lot of space on your desk or wherever your work area is. Very small and compact. You can bring this out, store it up, in and out as you see fit. On the top, you'll see your feed button. You just press that. It'll feed the paper even out. For some reason you don't want it there just yet, well, you can go ahead and just press this little eject button here. It'll pop it open. Okay, and then you can see actually your printer, everything going on in there, the feeding system, the thermal printing system. We can go ahead and lay that there and feed it again and close it. Just like that. And then it'll set itself up, waiting for the next one. You also have your power button on the side. Turn it on and off, your USB port as well, and you're ready to go. Now also, you have some teeth right there so you can actually tear it off when it's done printing. Now, like I said before, this printer features Bluetooth support, but you're gonna have to download the Label Life app. So make sure you scan the QR code, download it either from the Google Play Store or the Apple Store. Once you have your app, open up the app, go into your app, and make sure you connect the app to your printer through Bluetooth through the app. So you'll see your printer icon right there, press that. You'll then see the Bluetooth name for your printer. You can go ahead and connect and sync up to that, then you're ready to go. Within the app, you'll see a couple options such as Open PDF, meaning that if you already have a shipping label from somewhere else in a PDF form, you can go there and print it from your phone and you're good to go. You can also print images as well. You can print your documents that you have on your phone. You also have common templates as well, so you have of different size, different shapes, different patterns. You can print shipping labels with different templates that's available to you, and you can also create your own label as well. I'm going to give you an example by printing something from my photo album. So I'll print an image that I already have, and I'm going to print an icon, and I'll go ahead and press done. I'll resize this. Okay, and then I'll just press confirm and print and okay. And see how fast it did that. Obviously, I could have done some more resizing, but I just want to show you how fast you can get going with that. Not only that, let's just say maybe you have some jars that you want to put labels on. Maybe you want to create stickers for some kids. Just go to your new label. Make sure you put the width and the height of the paper that you're using. Go ahead and press create. We can go to our sticker icon right here. And now you'll see we have different designs that we can print stickers too. So let me just press the boxing glove. Looks good to me. I'll press X, press print, and print. And just like that. Super simple. All right, so let's actually print a shipping label. And for this example, we're gonna print it from my laptop. So again, I have the USB cord connecting to my laptop using the USB-C to USB-A converter so it can connect to my laptop. Once you have that done, you're then going to download the drivers for the printer. Then you're going to download the software for the printer so you can actually print from your laptop. Of course, this is all the Label Life software that you'll get from your instruction manual. Once you have the drivers installed, the software installed, I went ahead and downloaded a sample label for that. I load up into software, as you can see right now. And all I have to do is, here we go. It sees my printer. It's already connected. All I have to do is just press print. I can do any kind of resizing or additional adjustments that I want. I can set up a batch, a queue of other shipping labels, different addresses, names, and of the sort, and just go ahead and press print. and it will print out my shipping label. And again, if I have more than one, it'll just print more and more and more. So just make sure you get some more paper if you need be. All right, that's it. As you can see, really simple, really easy, super fast. Bluetooth app support, and also connected to your Mac or your Windows laptop as well. My only wish, I wish it had a built-in battery into it so you're not always connected to your AC plug as well. But outside of that, fantastic device. Check it out. Really hope this video helped you out. Take care. As always, I'll leave links in the description down below so you can pick up your own Omezizy Bluetooth thermal printer. Hey guys, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos. Hit that like button if you like what's going on here, and also ding that notification so you can be notified for future videos as well. All right, I'll see you next one. Take care.